Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get free Robux on Roblox mobile. So there are a couple methods that I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get as much Robux as you want on Roblox mobile. So make sure you watch the video all the way through because you don't want to miss any of the methods that I'm going to show you. So let's hop right into the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm on my homepage on Roblox, and the first thing that you're going to want to do to actually make free Robux on mobile is you want to find a game called Please Donate. Now you might be thinking, oh, there's just another guy saying just play Please Donate like normal. But no, I'm going to show you guys a method where you can get thousands of Robux easily. So first, let's head actually over to the game. So you can search for it in the search bar as well if you cannot find it anywhere else. But first, head over to the game and let it load up real quick. And once you're loaded up into the game, you want to make sure that it's made by somebody called Hazam. So as you can see, I'm in the game right now, and you all know how this game normally works. However, there's actually a method that you can do to actually make way more Robux than if you just played the game normally. And what that method is going to be, you want to AFK overnight on this game. So you might be thinking, how do I AFK on mobile? That doesn't make sense. You can't do that. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So you can actually make an auto clicker for mobile that you can just set all night so that you can just make as much Robux as you want. So if you want to see how to do an auto clicker for Please Donate, just keep on watching. I'll show you guys exactly how to do it. First things first, you're going to want to go to your home page here. Now from your home page, if you're on iPhone, you're going to want to go to your settings. Once you're on your settings, you're going to be brought to this page right here. And on this settings page, you're going to want to look for accessibility. So as you can see, I can find accessibility right here, but if you can't find it, you can also search for it in the search bar, accessibility. Now, once you found accessibility, you want to click on it. You're going to be brought to this page right here. And from this page, what you're going to want to look for, you want to look for switch control. As you can see right here, once you find it, you can go ahead and click on it, and it's going to bring up this page here. Now this is where you're going to make the AFK for your Roblox account so that you can get as much Robux as you want. So this method works really well. I've tested it out myself. But what you're going to want to do, you want to go to recipes, and once you find recipes, you want to click on it. Now once you're on recipes, you're going to want to click create a new recipe. Once you click on that, it's going to ask you to put in a name. You can just put it in like Roblox AFK or something. And once you do that, you're going to want to assign a switch. So once you click on assign a switch, it's going to bring up this option right here, full screen. You want to click on that, and then you want to click on custom gesture. Now once you click on custom gesture, there's this really important, what you're going to want to do. You want to make sure you go make a couple of these very slowly. So you just make it, and then you just wait a bit, wait a couple seconds, put in another one, just wait a couple seconds, put in a dot, do whatever you want. You can also just do dots if you don't want your screen to move at all while you're AFKing. You can just do dots instead. But you want to space them out so that they go really slowly. Just space out all the dots. And then once you've done that, I'm just going to stop it right here, but you can do it as long as you want. And once you've done, you're going to want to go back to recipes. And then what you're going to do, as you can see, I have two Roblox AFK ones, but you're going to want to make sure that you choose launch recipe as Roblox AFK, okay? So once you've done that, you're going to want to go back to switch control, and you want to go to switches. Now here, you're going to want to make sure that the switches is full screen. So if you don't have that, then click add switch, and then you want to go to screen, and then you want to add full screen. Now after that, you're going to want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, accessibility, and you want to find accessibility shortcut, as you can see right here. Once you find that, click on it, and then from here you're going to want to make sure that switch control is turned on. As you can see right here, the check mark is next to it. You want to have that on, and once you've done that, you're ready to go. So you want to head back over to Roblox and head back into Please Donate. Let it load for a bit, and this method works so well, you can get so much Robux out of it. But once it's loaded up, you're going to be brought to this page right here. And what you're going to want to do, first you want to go and claim your sign. So choose any sign you want, it doesn't really matter because you're just going to be AFKing. And once you find your sign, go ahead and claim it. And then once you've claimed it, you're just going to stand behind it. And then you're going to want to triple click your power button. And then these options will show up right here. And you want to choose switch control. Now once you've done that, you just want to spam your screen and click it a bunch of times. Just spam it as many times as you can, and as you can see, it has the switch control going. Now it's just going to start moving my character, and if you just did dots, then it'll just keep your character in the same place, but it'll just tap it so then you won't move at all. But then as you can see, it's going to keep on doing it even if I'm not spamming my screen. So it's going to just have you AFK all night if you just spam it enough. So make sure you click it enough times so it just spams forever. But once you've done that, you can just leave it overnight. Just plug it into a charger and leave it overnight. You'll get so many Robux. But that is how you can do it. Make sure you stay consistent with this method though, because it also takes some luck for people to donate to AFK people. But that is how you can AFK on Please Donate as long as you want and make so much Robux. Alright guys, So the second method is actually going to involve a web browser. It's not actually going to be on the actual Roblox app, but you can also make Robux from this. So make sure you go ahead and try this method to see if it works. But first head over to any web browser of your choosing. I'm using Safari. And once you're on Safari, you're going to want to search for Microsoft Rewards. So just go ahead and search for that. And once you search for it, it's going to bring up this right here, about Microsoft Rewards or welcome to Microsoft Rewards. You want to choose welcome to Microsoft Rewards and let it load for a bit. Now once it's loaded, it's going to bring you to this page here, and you're going to want to either sign up for free or sign in. I have a Microsoft account, but if you don't, go ahead and sign up. But if you do, make sure you sign in. You might have some free Robux waiting for you. But once you sign in, I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick. Now, once you've signed in, it's going to bring you to this page right here. And on this page, as you can see here, I actually have multiple offers here, like earn more reward points on Microsoft Bing app, and then you can actually download the Microsoft Bing app and you can actually earn Robux super easily. But as you can see, I'll just show you guys what this is. As you can see here, this is actually a reward system. So you can actually try to just answer random questions like this, know your celebrity news. You can go ahead and answer that, and then you'll get 10 points. And as you can see, if you search for rewards, if you actually go to redeem, and then we actually search for Robux or Roblox, then actually there will be an option for Roblox gift cards. So as you can see, if I go here and we go to shop and we wait for a bit, it's actually going to bring up Roblox digital cards, as you can see here. So you can actually buy Robux gift cards. So as you can see, there's multiple options here. You can buy 200 Robux for just 3,000 points, or you could go ahead and buy 400 Robux for just 6,000 points. But as you can see, there's multiple ways to earn rewards on the Microsoft Rewards. You could answer random questions. You could use their search engine. There's so many ways that you could earn Robux with this, and it's so easy. So go ahead and check this out as well. You can earn so much Robux. Now, the last method is actually going to be an app called Swagbucks. So you might have heard of it, but you might have never heard of it. It's a really simple app which just answer surveys and answer random questions. It's kind of like Microsoft Rewards, except it works better. And you can just go ahead and log in real quick if you have one. I also put a referral link for Swagbucks down below in the description and the pinned comment, so I'd really appreciate it if you guys use it. You guys would also get a bonus if you guys used it, so you guys get a benefit, plus I get a benefit. If you guys liked the video so far, I'd really appreciate it if you guys could use that. Thanks. I do have an account, so I'm going to log into that one real quick. But once you've logged in, as you can see here, you're going to be brought to this page right here, and it's going to show all the ways you can earn random Swagbucks. And if you earn enough Swagbucks, you can actually go to shop, and then they might not have an actual Roblox gift card section, but they will have sections for like Amazon or Apple iTunes gift cards, so you can actually buy those, and then you'll actually be able to buy the Roblox gift card using those coins. So let me just go ahead and check if they actually have it. So let's let it load for a bit, and then you want to go here and you want to click redeem Swagbucks. And if you go here, if you try searching for Roblox, there is no result for Roblox, but you can actually use prepaid MasterCards, or you could use any of these. Apple gift cards work really well, but you can use any of these and you can just buy it and then you can redeem Robux with it. But those are the 3 methods that you can actually use to earn Robux super easily on Roblox on mobile. So none of these methods are a scam, they all work perfectly. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.